A judge has granted the motion to continue the trial of a man accused of killing a Sioux City teen over 40 years ago. Thomas Popp is charged with first-degree murder in the 1983 killing of then 18-year-old Terry McCauley. The case went cold for 42 years until Popp was indicted by a Woodbury County grand jury and arrested in 2025 in Washington state. His trial was set to start February 17th, but Friday, a judge granted the motion to continue filed by his lawyers. A new trial date has not been set yet. That date will likely be set by a separate court order after consulting with both parties in the case. Popp waived his right to a speedy trial on January 13th. He has pleaded not guilty to a charge of first-degree murder.